ಏನೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೆ. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹೌ ಬಿಸಿ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕೇರ್. ವಾಟ್? You said you would love me forever, when you forever ended today. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೀಗ? I am sorry. An apology without changed behavior is just a manipulation. Yappa devre, I am free now. Please call Madu.
Oh, but I am not free now.